This is your reading for today. Your cards are Hermit and Nine of Pentacles. For there are two, three scenarios. For some of you, if you had been planning for a child on conceiving, for some of you, if you were planning to adopt a child, and it's like the process has been put in place, and you're waiting to hear back on that. Okay, uh, and you have been waiting for a very long time with very little movement. Progress, positive news, forward movement is coming on that front. Now, for some of you, while you have been working on your independence, your stability, you are coming across as a very independent kind of a person, determined, working on your own thing, taking care of your grooming. And some of you have also taken the time off to lean into your spiritual side. And look at the comments where people were telling you that, oh, you're too material minded, and you are too focused on your own thing, and you're very self centered. Some of you will take the time or have taken the time to create some distance and look at these comments that were coming to you, and lean into your spiritual side. And perhaps also some of you have taken the help of a guide, a counselor, or a mentor in trying to understand the spiritual balance that was required. And it is time for you to now come out of this space because you are much more balanced now. So, for this set of the collective who have been working on their own independence, seeking, leaning into their spiritual side, somewhere you have been hopeful also that somebody will come along who understands you. I won't say waiting, but you have been hopeful that somebody will understand you as you are, this independent minded person that you are. Also, who is capable of soul searching, but is also very driven and determined. You have been hoping to find a person like that. Now, for those people, that set of the collective, it is very likely that somebody like that will step into your life, and there's going to be a beautiful new beginning. And for many of you, it could turn into marriage, commitment, stability, a committed relationship which is very strong, stable, and brings new beginnings into your life. And see, all of this is now. For also, there is another set where you might be hearing from friends who are. Who are saying that they want to come and spend the vacations with you, or they want to plan a holiday together, or this could be with family. And again, this is coming to you after a period of after a bleak period, after a period of isolation, after a period where you were distanced from friends, family, joy, happiness, going out, bright, vibrant settings. So that kind of an energy is coming back into your life because you are ready for it.